Hello students, welcome to the online tutorial session. Today we will learn about the rules of Boolean algebra. Okay. First rule is the identity rule. Identity rule says that if you add x value with the 0, then we will get back the x value only. Okay, how? Let's prove. Suppose x value I am taking as 0. So 0 value plus 0. So it is equals to 0. That is the x value. Again, let's take x value equals to 1. So 1 plus 0 is equals to what? 1. So again it is the x value. So in this way I can prove that x plus x, if you add x value with the 0, then we will return back to the x value. Now 1D rule. Okay. 1D rule, it is also identity multiplication rule. It says if you multiply 1 with any x value, then you will return x value only. Let's see, x value I am taking as 0. So 0 into 1, it is 0. It is returning x value. If taking x equals to 1, so 1 into 1, again I am getting back the x value. So it is proof. Next we will prove the second rule, that is the null rule. Null rule means it is saying that if you add 1 with the x value, then it will return only 1 as a value. Let me check that one. The x value equals to 0. X plus 1 means 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. True. Let me check for the value 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus is over here. If you are doing the Boolean algebra addition, then its value is 1. Don't apply the binary addition concept over here. Okay, so it is proof. Next we will prove the 2D, that if with any value of x, if you multiply 0, then you will get back to the only 0 value. Okay, let me check that one. X equals to 0. So 0 into 0, it is giving you 0 value. X equals to 1. So 1 into 0, again 0. So this null rule also we can prove it. Next, go for the third one. Third one is the idempotency rule. Okay. So it is saying that if you add x with x, then you will get x value. But normally in algebra, if you add x with x, we are getting 2x. But here the concept is different. Okay, let me prove that one. Say x value is 0. So 0 plus 0, it is 0. X equals to 1. So 1 plus 1 is 1. So it is true. Now check the next one. X into x, it means in normal algebra we are getting x square. Okay, but here we are getting only as x value. How? We will check that one also. So x value I am taking 0. 0 into 0, it is 0. Now I am taking x value as 1.
I found these results.
1 into 1 is equals to 1. Okay. This idempotency rule is also explained. Now we will go for the third one, this involution rule. Involution rule says if you find out the double complement of x, then it will result in the x value. How? Suppose x value I am taking 0. So x complement means not operation is applied, then we will just get the opposite value. So if you are passing 0, then x bar will give you the 1 value. Okay, so x bar then whole bar. So it again I am complementing it. X bar, that is the x complement, then again I am one time complementing it. So x bar value is 1. Again if you do the complement, then we will get the opposite value. X complement value is 1, then the opposite one is 0. See, it is same like x value. So that's why it is saying x double complement is equals to x. Or you can write it in this way also. This way or x complement, then whole complement. Both the thing you can write. Okay. Now we will go for the complementarity rule. Okay. Okay, complementarity rule says x plus x bar it is equals to 1. Okay, so how we can prove that one? Let me take first x value equals to 1. So x bar value will be 0. So x plus x bar, 1 plus 0. What is the result? 1. Now we will check for the x value for 0. Okay, if you check for that one, then what will be the output? X value right now I am taking 0. So x bar value will be what? 1. So x plus x bar then will be what? 0 plus 1. So answer is again 1. So it is proof. If you add x with this complement of its value, then we will get only 1 as a value. Okay. Next we will prove that 5d1. If you multiplied x with its complement, then you always get the 0 value. Okay. So right now I am taking x value as 0. So x complement will be what? 1. So x into x complement, 0 into 1. So 0 into 1 means 0. Now we will check for the x value for 1. Okay. X value equals to 1. Then x bar value will be 0. So x into x bar then give you result 1 into 0. So 1 into 0 means also 0. So in this way we can prove the complementarity rule also. Okay, this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, these all 9 rules are very, very important, because later on when we will do this Boolean algebra simplification, we need all this for all this kind of a law for the simplification purpose. So it is very, very important. So if any doubts, you can comment on the video section if any explanation is further required for that one also. Okay, so next commutative law, associative law and other rules are there. We will explain into further video. Okay, thank you students. I'm ending my lecture over here.